Good day, basketball fans! Welcome to another exciting episode of NBA para sa bakbakang Oklahoma City Thunder at San Antonio Spurs. Jalen Williams had a career night dropping 41 points, while Shai Gilgeous-Alexander added 31 points as the Oklahoma City Thunder dominated the Spurs with the score 146-132. Hindi nila pinalampas ang pagkakataong sirain ang pagbabalik ng San Antonio matapos ang kanilang matinding road trip. San Antonio came out strong, knocking down 16 three-pointers in the first half, almost tying the NBA record. Pero hindi nagpatinag ang Thunder, matching their intensity and keeping the game close 72-72 at halftime. Sa third quarter, nagkaroon ng mainit na sagupaan. Kenrich Williams, Lou Dort at Julian Champagny were ejected matapos ang isang matinding confrontation habang si Jeremy Sochan na may 17 points ay binigyan ng technical foul pero hindi naalis sa laro. Pagpasok ng second half, Oklahoma City unleashed at 13-4 run at tuluyang iniwan ng Spurs. San Antonio went 0 of 8 from 3 in the third quarter, causing their offense to collapse. Samantala, Isaiah Hartenstein dominated inside with 10 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 assists for OKC. Rookie Stephon Castle lead the Spurs with 32 points, showing why he's a rising star kasama si De'Aaron Fox na may 20 points. Pilit nilang binuhat ang San Antonio pero kinapos pa rin sa dulo. With this win, OKC moves to 49 wins, 11 losses. Just one game behind the Cleveland Cavaliers for the best record in the NBA. 3 straight wins at mukhang unstoppable na sila. OKC will face the Houston Rockets next. Habang haharapin naman ng Spurs ang Brooklyn Nets. Makakabangon pa kaya ang San Antonio o magpapatuloy ang kanilang slump? Stay tuned for more NBA action.